How to score free products from top brands in 2025. 5 secrets you need to know. 1. Hook. Ever wondered how people get free products from top brands? In 2025, it's easier than ever. Let's dive into 5 secrets that will get you free stuff. 2. Secret number 1. Master the art of influencer marketing. Show a clip of someone posting on social media and gaining brand partnerships. Influencers aren't just celebrities. In 2025, even micro-influencers with as few as 1,000 followers can score free products. All you need is great content and engagement. 3. Secret number 2. Join brand ambassador programs. Quick montage of brand ambassador perks, swag bags, events. Many brands offer ambassador programs. Become a true advocate, promote their products, and score free items, discounts, and even exclusive offers. 4. Secret number 3. Sign up for exclusive product testing. Show an example of someone getting access to a product testing platform or survey site. Companies are always looking for feedback. Sign up for product testing sites like BZZ Agent, Influencer, or Smiley 360 to try out new products for free in exchange for reviews. 5. Secret number 4. Leverage giveaways and contests. Clip of someone entering a giveaway online, then winning a product. Giveaways are everywhere, on social media, websites, and even brand newsletters. The more you enter, the more chances you have to score free items from top brands. 6. Secret number 5. Stay on top of sampling programs. Show clips of people using samples from top brands like beauty, food, or tech products. Brands love giving samples to promote new products. Keep an eye on sites like Sample Source and Social Nature for free product samples sent right to your door. Want to score more freebies? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insider tips. Comment below which secret you'll try first to get free products.